I'm going to give you explanation why women, especially after menopause, goes and they are rapidly aging. Some of them in a very short period of time. In this video, I will give you an explanation about how gut microbiome plays a crucial role. Since menopause, many women notice their skin aging faster, stubborn weight appearing around the belly, new aches, and even episodes of brain fog. While hormonal changes play a role, recent research shows that the gut, our microbiome, is a hidden factor that can accelerate aging. The state of your gut after menopause can influence not just digestion, but also inflammation, hormonal balance, and even appearances of your skin. Understanding this connection offers an opportunity to naturally slow down the aging process and regain vitality. That's why this video is so important, because I'm going to give you perfectly reason why are you having those kind of accelerate aging, especially after menopause. The gut is often thought as merely digestive organ, yet it functions as a central control system for aging. Trillions of bacteria residing in gut regulate inflammation, immunity, and hormonal activity. After menopause, estrogen level drops sharply, and this hormonal shift can destabilize the delicate balance of gut microbacteria. When this balance is disrupted, a process sometimes called microbiome meltdown occurs. The consequences are subtle but powerful. Wrinkles deepen, energy decline, belly fat accumulation, and the joint discomfort becomes more pronounced. Scientific studies demonstrate that women with healthier gut microbiome tend to look and feel years younger compared to those with imbalanced gut flora. And many aspects are affecting our gut microbiome, especially in the women, especially after 50 years and older. And many of them disrupt our normal hormonal balance, and this is especially important for the women after menopause. What happened to your gut after menopause? With decline in estrogen, the gut barrier weakens, leading to a condition commonly referred as leaky gut. In this state, beneficial bacteria decrease, while harmful bacteria proliferate. Toxins and inflammatory compounds escape into bloodstream, spreading through the body. This chronic low-grade inflammation, often called inflammaging, contributes to accelerated skin aging, fatigue, belly fat, mood swings, and slower digestion. Research shows the postmenopausal woman with disrupted microbiomes display a higher level of markers associated with the skin aging and report more general aches and tiredness. And this is perfectly easy to understand. When your gut microbiome work perfect or better, you will aging slower, and that's why we need to address this kind of problem, especially the women after 50 years and older. Within the gut exists a group of bacteria known as an estrobolome, which plays a crucial role in recycling and activating estrogen even after natural hormone level declines. When the estrobolome is healthy, it supports skin elasticity, strong mood, stable and reduced inflammation. Conversely, when this bacteria nectar is disrupted, the body loses a natural layer of anti-aging protection. The positive news is that this estrobolome can be nurtured and restored through the specific dietary and lifestyle choices, allowing women to regain some of their youthful resilience. And in this part of the video, I'm going to give you an explanation how you can see if you have any kind of disruption in the gut microbiome, and later in the show I'm going to give you natural ways how you can help yourself in safe and natural way. Many subtle indications suggest that the gut may be contributing to accelerate aging. Increased wrinkles or dullness in the complexion, persistent belly fat, bloating, digestive irregularities, fatigue, brain fog, joint stiffness, and the sleep disturbances all point to imbalance into the gut microbiome. Recognizing those signs is the first step toward taking proactive measures to rejuvenate gut health and consequently overall vitality. And I'm gonna give you a 3 easy step solution how I help my patients, especially women, and how you can help yourself to restore those gut microbiome in the safe and natural way and slow down aging process, especially after menopause. Restoring gut health after menopause involves a combination of nutrition, lifestyle adjustments, and supplementation. The first step is to nourish beneficial bacteria through diverse intake of plant-based foods, prebiotics, and fermented products. Consuming a variety of vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and incorporating garlic, onions, asparagus, oats, as well as fermented food like kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso can significantly enhance microbiome diversity. And one of the many things that can help you is going to be special those kind of fermented food. You really need in your body something called probiotics. My personal favorite is going to be kefir. For the last, 10-15 years, I drink regular kefir and help me with my health, my immunity. And I am going to recommend you, especially you women, fermented food, kefir as a drink is going to help you a lot. Equally important is the elimination of gut-damaging factors. Highly processed food, artificial sweeteners, excess sugar, refined flour, and frequent use of antibiotics or certain pain medication disrupt the microbiome and promote inflammation. Stress management through techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing supports the gut-brain connection and reduces harmful inflammatory responses. Finally, rebuilding the estrobolome involves targeting strategy to support estrogen metabolism and hormonal balance. Probiotics with multiple strain and adequate colony-forming units, foods rich in phytoestrogens such as flaxseed, soy, and the lentils, omega-3 fatty acid from sources like wild fish, chia seeds, and the walnuts, and digestive enzymes to improve nutrient absorption all contribute to restoring a balanced and resilient gut environment, and I believe this is going to help you a lot. There's a couple of information that is perfectly for your gut microbiome, and if you take those my recommendation into consideration, I believe it's going to help you in a short period of time restore your gut microbiome, and this is the first step for your youthful skin and overall vitality. A healthy gut translates directly into visible improvements in the skin, energy, and overall health. Enhanced nutrient absorption nourishes the skin from within, while lower systematic inflammation reduces wrinkles and joint discomfort. Balanced hormones help maintain energy and the mood stability. And efficient detoxification ensures that harmful compounds do not accumulate in the body or manifest on the skin. Women following those practices often notice brighter skin, reduce bloating, and improve vitality within 6 weeks of consistent application. Implementing even small changes can initiate meaningful improvements. Adding new vegetables and fermented foods to the daily diet, eliminating one processed food and beginning high-quality probiotic supplements are practical first step. Tracking changes in the skin, energy, and digestion provide both motivation and measurable results. demonstrating the power of the gut health in reversing signs of accelerated aging. And this is all for today, my dear viewers. I believe you did learn something about gut microbiome in a woman after 50 years old, especially after menopause. If you want to learn a lot more about the perfect natural remedies that can help you, especially one vitamin that can help you slow down aging, watch my video right here. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.